Hi, this is Arun from Random Codes. In this video, let's take a look at HTML editors. For learning, we can use simple text editors like Notepad, which we see it on Windows, and TextEdit on Mac. But we suggest using a modern code editor as it makes coding and learning easy. Some of the code editors that we suggest are Notepad++, Sublime Text, Atom, and Visual Studio Code. Throughout this tutorial, we will be using Visual Studio Code, and you can use any of the code editors that you feel comfortable with. Using a code editor makes coding easy as it contains several useful features like syntax highlighting, auto completion, error detection, search and replace, FTP integration, code folding, and several other things. Whether you are a beginner or an advanced developer, you always see some kind of benefits of using a code editor. Some of the benefits include syntax highlighting, which helps you learn and create websites faster. Error detection and auto completion prevent errors in your source code. Code editor also helps us in writing optimized code, which helps us in search engine optimization. It makes project management easy with features to work with a team. Overall, we suggest using a code editor to learn and implement faster. And you can start using any of the code editors that you are comfortable with. That's all for now. I hope this video is useful. Let us know your feedback and suggestions in the comment section. If you like the content, feel free to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you on another video with a different topic. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.